Hey guys, my name is Donnie and welcome back to the channel. In the last video I finished making all of the parts needed to construct this bonnet for this Jaguar, and in this video I'm going to attempt to weld everything together so that all of these small pieces will become one large bonnet. Now guys, I don't have an exact plan on how I'm going to be doing that, but what I do know is I will just be mating up two pieces at a time and making sure that they fit exactly together, and then start tacking them and then give them a good weld over. And hopefully by the end of this video I will have welded all of these parts together. So guys, let's see how far I get in this video. I should actually stop calling these videos part so and so, but rather week so and so, because what you see in a video is what I was able to accomplish in a week's time. So if I don't get done with the welding this week, it'll have to pass over to next week. So let's give it a go. Alrighty guys, time for an update. I have now made 4 pieces out of all of these parts: the left and right fender, the front section, and what is going to be the top of the hood. And the next step now is that I'll be welding everything together. Now guys, I did not forget to put these louvers in this top piece, the ones that are over there. I don't know if you can see it, these louvers. But I realized after I welded this section that it does still warp a little and need some attention after you've welded it, panel beating and so on. And if I had put the louvers in now and I weld these sections together and it warps a little bit, I would really struggle to just panel beat everything and make it nice and smooth again. So I'm going to be putting these louvers in after everything's been welded together. So that's what I'm going to do now, as I'm going to weld everything together and finish off these welds a little bit, make them look nice and pretty, and then we can have a cup of coffee. So let's go. Holy hell guys, I've done a thing. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so pretty. Man, now it's really starting to look like something. Guys, this was a marathon of note to get this bonnet welded up. I've got to tell you guys, some weeks is a little bit tougher than others, and this was one of them. It's pitch black outside again, and this was a long week for me, but I'm glad that I finished welding this front section. I have not sanded it down. There wasn't enough time to get rid of all these welding spots like I did with the rear, but I will do that. But at least I have put it in position, and now you guys can see what this is going to look like. And man, oh man, it is really looking so pretty. Wow, sheesh, I'm so happy with what this is looking like now, guys. Whee, what a week. Anyways guys, if there was something that I did definitely learn this week, is that when you are welding, like I said, I'm not a welder and I'm still not very good at it, but it is definitely as if I am getting a bit better with time. Practice makes perfect is what they say. And another thing that I did pick up was if these two parts line up, the better that they line up with each other, the easier it is for me to weld. So when you are lining up the pieces, just make sure that they are lined up exactly. Even if you've got to use a file to just tweak it a little bit so that they fit exactly, it'll make your life so much easier. And also, some of you guys suggested that I use a seated position, and that also helped a lot, but unfortunately it was not always possible because these welds are a bit awkward at times. Whew, but guys, I'm tired. I need something more than a little bit of coffee now. The week is over, but I'm happy it is done. But thanks for joining me once again, and I hope I will see you guys next week. Cheers!